The market theme vertical bar Nifty bulls reclaim 24,300, bullish confirmation arrives. The positive takeaway from Tuesday's powerful rebound was Nifty's decisive close above 24,317, providing the first credible confirmation of renewed bullish strength. The big challenge, the next challenge is to move and sustain above 24774 mark, 3rd August high. Our call of the day, the rebound has arrived, follow through is now only a matter of time. A decisive breakout above Nifty 24,774 could strengthen the case for a broader bullish reversal. Make hay while the sun shines. The biggest positive catalyst, crude oil slides 3% to a one-week low. The latest US sanctions on Iran as less disruptive than initially feared. Well, lower crude provides relief to India's inflation, rupee, fiscal balance and corporate margin outlook. Bottom line, there is bright chance that bullish sentiments could propel Nifty towards 24,550 to 24,774 zone with an interweek perspective. Market trend dashboard. Global cues, positive. FII activity, +1, 594 crore. DII activity, +230 crore. India VIX, around 11.07. Market breadth, positive. Overall sentiment, bullish. Nifty setup, short-term recovery underway. Broad Fano zone, 24,200 to 24,500. Brent crude, around $89 per barrel. Gold, around $4,650 per ounce. Silver, around $68.70 per ounce. USD INR August futures, 95.40. Derivatives dashboard, 29 September expiry. Nifty PCR, around 1.24. Bank Nifty PCR, around 1.15. FI Nifty PCR, around 0.29. Midcap Nifty PCR, around 1.22. What technicals tell us about Nifty, Sensex and Bank Nifty? Nifty, 24,335. Immediate support, 24,121. Major resistance, 24,774. Expected range, 24,250 to 24,500. Bias, bullish. 21 DMA, 24,379. 50 DMA, 24,204. 100 DMA, 23,977. 200 DMA, 24,673. Sensex, 77,656. Immediate support, 77,125. Major resistance, 79,143. Expected range, 77,300 to 78,300. Bias, bullish. 21 DMA, 77,918. 50 DMA, 77,459. 100 DMA, 76,723. 200 DMA, 79,622. Bank Nifty, 57,514. Make or break support, 56,900. Major resistance, 58,248. Expected range, 57,300 to 58,300. Bias, bullish. 21 DMA, 57,549. 50 DMA, 57,621. 100 DMA, 56,232. 200 DMA, 57,453. Stock market news. Expect a cautiously positive session, but stock-specific session shall command investors' attention. The big event ahead. 1. NVIDIA Q2 FY27 earnings, Wednesday, 26 August, 2026. 2. US PCE inflation, Wednesday, 26 August, 2026. 3. Jackson Hole Symposium, Thursday through Saturday, August 27 eth 29 eth 2026. Sectors likely to outperform. Aviation, paints, tires and OMCs, the sharp decline in crude provides near-term relief. IT, positive US technology futures and NVIDIA expectations may support selective buying. Capital goods and infrastructure, healthy order inflows favor land tea and select construction companies. Tiles and building materials. Improving margins favor so many ceramics and other organized manufacturers. Sectors likely to underperform. Upstream oil and gas, ONGC and Oil India may consolidate after crude's sharp decline. Stocks to watch. Positive bias. Larsen and Toubro, renewables business secured a major Middle East order for 3 battery energy storage projects. Somni Ceramics, Q1 FY27 EBITDA surged 79%, while margin expanded to 11.5%. Great Eastern Shipping, plus 0.68% board will meet on 27 August to consider an equity share buyback. Yatharth Hospital, record revenue, improving occupancy and rapid ramp-up of new hospitals supports the growth outlook. Negative cautious bias. Hindustan Copper, retail OFS opens at 514 rupee per share, discounted supply may keep the stock under pressure. Kaplan Point Laboratories, USFDA's unannounced inspection of the Kaplan Steriles facility may keep sentiment cautious until further clarity. ONGC Oil India, falling crude prices could trigger profit-taking. Initial public offerings. Listings today, Gaza Alternative Asset Management. Issues open, Skyways Air Services, HYTech Engineers, Symbiotech Formulab and Anu Projects.